What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're gonna go over that review you've been asking me to make. It's on the Street Smart Edge platform. Check it out. Alright guys, so before we jump into this video, do me the quick favor, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time I upload a video. Also remember, in the description section below, you're going to find a link to Webull. Webull is a free stock trading platform app that is giving away 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit money. Also, I'm going to put another link in there for free free trade, I think it's called. It's a new platform that just came out recently that you don't even need to deposit money. You just click the link that's down there, you open an account, and you'll get a free stock within a couple days. I got Nokia, so it's not a big deal. It was very cheap stock. I think it was Nokia. It was like a $2-3 stock. But the person that referred me over actually had gotten Facebook prior to that. So that's a real nice chunk of change right there. So it's a free stock. You don't even have to deposit money in that one. And you can just get your free stock and then sell it. And then, I don't know, buy yourself a McFlurry at McDonald's if they still have those. I don't even know. But yeah, take advantage of Webull and free trade down there. Link in the description section below. Free stocks equals free money equals a free lunch. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. This is the Street Smart Edge platform right here from Charles Schwab that you guys have been asking me to do the review on. And here it is. You know, this is the layout that I've been using now for a little while. And you guys have been seeing it on the screen. It's basically what I felt comfortable using. I've always felt comfortable using an order box that has the level 2 and time and sales all together, or at least very, very close to each other, just because I came from Speed Trader and Dash Trader Pro when I started learning to trade, and I would use the level 2 montage that had the order placement right on it, and that, you know, that's what I used, and I've always felt comfortable using that, and I really like it because everything's just right there. Everything's just right there. So that's what I use here for my order placement. And then up here I have the account detail, like where my position is, there's realized gains, you know, stuff like that. I could put out alerts, order statuses, stuff like that. And I always, you know, keep it there in positions, just so that I can see when I'm in an open position. As you see right now, if I'm not in an open position, so it says there are currently no positions in this account. So we have that, and we have, you know, different tabs where we can do things like this. You know, you can have like screeners, you know, you can open up new layouts that are blank, and then you can come over here to where it says launch tools. Let me see if I can get that here for you. Can you see it? Let me see if I can make this a little smaller. Should be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. Launch tools. And okay, so you can't, gonna have to go like this. Launch tools, and then you can see the tools that it has: account details, all-in-one trade tools, you know, global messages, notes, Street Smart Central. This is another platform that they have where you can trade futures at. Let's see here. Block trade indicator, you have the TV here for CNBC, ETF screeners. I mean, you have all sorts of tools. You know, you can set up a new chart, click chart there, and then bang, you have the new chart right here. And then you can customize this as you want. You know, maybe we can do some videos where I can actually go into details on the customization of something like a chart, you know, itself. And you come here, you can make another chart, and you know, you have everything you need right here, like new charts, open chart template, open chart from a file. You know, you can right click the chart itself. Let me see here. And then you can draw, you know, support lines. You know, for example, you can do that. Boom, you got support lines out there. Okay. And let's see what else we got here. You have all your research tabs. You know, you can actually go into settings, and then you can put market hours. You know, you can put show timelines. You can take that off. You can leave it on. Show price lines. You can take that off, leave it on. I find it useful. So you can do a number of things on the chart itself. Okay. So, I mean, I'm not going to go into details on all the tools and whatnot that we have here. This video is mainly a review on the platform itself. So now, as far as the platform itself goes, it's pretty customizable. Like lengthy, like we can probably do a video series on how customizable it is. It's actually pretty customizable, more so than I thought it was. I have to thank a few of my subscribers who pointed me in the right directions here as I wanted to customize certain things. One of them actually notified me about customizing the colors on the level 2, and I noticed you can also do it on the time and sales, which is great, and maybe we can do a video on that. So this video doesn't turn into like a 30-minute video. Now, as far as the platform to me is as good as any other of these big retail trader platforms are. It's as good as E-Trade. It's as good as probably Toss. I don't consider it at this point better than E-Trade Pro, but at the same time, I don't consider E-Trade Pro better than this. The only thing I like on E-Trade Pro over this is that it's a little bit easier to use. I can actually fit more things in this screen that you're watching me. If you remember, when I traded on E-Trade Pro, I had 2 charts, okay, and I had 2 level 2s, and I had the TV up and all that. Well, yeah, I didn't think you could see the TV on the screen that I record, but like I could customize the size of things a lot better, and it would be usable. Unlike this, if I wanted to make this smaller, all of this automatically does not become smaller. Rather, the box becomes smaller, see? And everything disappears. For the most part, on E-Trade Pro, I was able to do that and keep most, if not all, the information on the screen itself and make my box smaller so that I could fit more within the platform. So I don't like that. Okay, and the same holds true for the chart. The same holds true for this account detail box. Pretty much everything. I mean, this is as small as I can make everything and still be usable. Therefore, I'm only able to have one level 2 with order entry, one chart, and then one of these boxes here that you can see. Now, always off camera, I have other charts I'm watching. Okay, so it's not like I trade just on one 3-minute chart, There you go. You have a 3-minute, a 5-minute. Here you have your 15-minute. And I actually have a zoomed in daily and a zoomed out daily. Okay. So I have a whole lot more going on here, but I have a big screen. And that right there is a 43-inch screen that I'm playing off of. And I still have another one on this side. So it's a good platform in that it's fairly easy to use. I just don't like that lack of customization on the size of boxes. I don't like that. Now, as far as speed goes, it's just like any other broker, guys. It really is. There's nothing special here. It's not faster. It's not slower. I believe it's a little bit slower. And when I enter a position, it takes it a second or a few seconds sometimes to show me my cost average here. I don't like that. On E-Trade Pro, when I would go in, it would show me my cost average immediately. So I don't like that. It lags on showing me my cost average on my position. It lags, and it lags a significant amount to me, because if I'm banging a market order in, I want to know where I got in immediately, even though I'm watching my level 2. So I have a general idea of where I got in. I want to know instantly, and this thing does not show me instantly at all. I think I've gotten in on limit orders, and I don't even know if it's populated the cost average immediately or not, honestly. So I don't like that. Let's see, what else? The speed of the executions, like I said, is the same as any other time. Recently, you saw me do a video recap where I had a glitch where I was in a trade and my charts and my level 2 in time and sales stopped giving me data. And out of nowhere, it just said data not available or ticker is invalid. And it was BA of all things. Like, come on, BA is not an invalid ticker. So that really, got me super mad, cost me money. And I tweeted to them about it, and they were like, oh, contact our support staff. But that's useless, guys. I don't even do that anymore. It's just a catastrophic waste of my time with any of these brokers. I left E-Trade because of that lag issue on a bad fill as well. And now I'm here. I haven't had any bad fills. I have not had any bad fills on limit orders, on market orders. I haven't had any bad fills. I'm not going to say that I have because I haven't. but I've noticed a lag issue, and it's been more than once with them. There's lag issues going on. The software is good in that it has a lot of tools. I like that. But the lag issue is there. And it's the same lag issue I saw at E-Trade. And it's the same lag issue people are telling me about TOS. And it's the same lag issue that we're seeing across the board on most of these retail brokers. So take it with a grain of salt. You know, weigh out your options and figure out, okay, should I leave from E-Trade to go to Charles Schwab? Because that's what a lot of people have been telling me they want to do. Or should I go to TOS? Everyone is reporting the same lag issues across the board with all of these brokers, with E-Trade, with Schwab, with TOS, with all of them. So I don't know what to tell you as far as that goes. I'm going to stick with them a little while longer. You know, we're going to see what happens here. But something tells me that I'm going to end up at some point this year moving back over to Speed Trader or opening an account at Lightspeed. And frankly, you know, I didn't really need that type of broker for the type of trading I do, because I'm not momentum chasing stocks. I'm buying pullbacks, and usually, you know, I don't need that. You know, I just don't. But with the lag that's going on in all these brokers as of late, I don't know. I'm stuck there. Or maybe I'll just start trading futures more often than this, you know, and I'll just have this there just in case something really, really good and juicy shows up, and for my long-term investment, and that's about it. And I'll focus on trading futures. And I'll do a review on the futures broker I've been using here in the future. Not yet. I want to, there's a lot more in that software that I'm starting to learn. And I'm going to work on this weekend. So I'm not ready to do a review video on that just yet, because I'm not going to do a review video on something that I'm not fully exposed to, right? So I'm not going to do that just yet, but I will do one in the future for you. But that's it for Street Smart Edge. It's a good platform, has a lot of tools. It has the same lag issues that every other broker is having, that we are all complaining about. So, you know, weigh it out and figure it out there for yourself. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.